Alright, you discount Dracula wannabes. Let's be honest, your Halloween decor sucks. Your house looks less haunted mansion and more seasonal depression. But don't worry, I've scoured Amazon's under $15 graveyard of goodies to find the cheapest, creepiest, most ridiculous decorations that'll make your neighbors think you're festive or just deeply unwell. Either way, it's an upgrade. Let's roast your sad, undecorated life. Oh, you're still greeting guests with a plain brown mat? Pathetic. For 12 bucks, you could have this nightmare clown face staring up at everyone who dares enter you home. It's non-slip, which is perfect for when your neighbor's kid inevitably pees himself the second he sees it. And it's washable, so when that same kid's mom drags him across it in a panic, you can just toss it in the machine and boom, good as new. Honestly, if you don't own this, you're basically telling the world, yes, I am boring, please step on me. Which, coincidentally, is exactly what this mat is for. Nothing screams Halloween like a severed foot on your coffee table. For under 15 bucks, you get a whole buffet of latex organs, hearts, lungs, fingers, the works. It's like a starter kit for your serial killer cosplay. Toss them in a bowl and call it punch garnish. Or better yet, leave one in the fridge next to the milk, so your roommate questions every life choice that led them to live with you. And the best part? They're reusable. That's right, you can traumatize a whole new batch of trick-or-treaters every single year without spending another dime. Talk about sustainable horror. Your house looks too clean. Fix that. For 10 bucks, you get 1,000 square feet of fake cobwebs. That's enough to turn your living room into grandma's attic if grandma was a black widow. And it comes with 30 fake spiders because apparently one isn't enough to ruin your sleep. Stretch it across your bushes, your windows, your car, hell, wrap your entire house in it and tell people your cosplaying is abandoned property. Bonus, it's sticky enough that when your drunk uncle stumbles into it, he'll be trapped like a fly. Finally, a decoration that doubles as pest control. Your bathroom mirror is boring. For 8 bucks, slap these bloody decals on and suddenly it's a crime scene. Nothing says welcome like a bloody footprint leading straight to the fridge. They're waterproof, so you can stick them in the shower and pretend you're in Psycho every morning. And they peel off without residue, unlike your last relationship. Honestly, if you don't have these, you're missing out on the joy of watching your guests nervously ask, should we call someone? While you casually sip your pumpkin spice latte. Your lawn is sad. For under $14, you can fix it with a 5-foot inflatable body bag. It's weather-resistant, realistic, and guaranteed to make your HOA president cry. Nothing says festive like a corpse chilling by your mailbox. And the best part? It inflates in seconds, which is faster than you can explain to your neighbors why there's a dead guy in your yard. Honestly, if you don't own this, your lawn is basically just grass, and grass is for losers. Your door is naked. Embarrassing. For just over 10 bucks, you can slap this cover on and instantly turn your entryway into a haunted asylum. It hides the real horror behind a door, which is, of course, your Amazon addiction. Trick-or-treaters will think twice before knocking, which is great if you hate kids but still want to look festive. And when the wind blows, it flaps just enough to make it look like something inside is trying to get out. Spoiler, it's just you, crying over your credit card bill. Your windows are too wholesome. For 12 bucks, these posters make it look like demons are peeking out, which is way better than your neighbors peeking in. Stick them up and suddenly your house goes from suburban beigey to possible crime scene. And the best part? They glow when the lights hit them just right, so at night it looks like something's actually watching you. Which, let's be honest, is the closest you'll ever get to having company. Your mirror is lying to you. You're not that cute. For 7 bucks, these holographic ghost stickers make your reflection look haunted, which is honestly more accurate. Every time you brush your teeth, you'll feel like you're in a low-budget horror film. And when guests walk into your bathroom and see a ghost staring back at them, you'll finally get the attention you've been craving. Congratulations, you've turned your crippling self-esteem issues into decor. Your house is too quiet. For 15 bucks, this inflatable screams every time someone walks by. Perfect for scaring kids, neighbors, or your Amazon delivery guy who already hates you. It's motion activated, so you don't even have to lift a finger. which is great because let's be honest, you weren't going to anyway. And the scream is loud enough to make your dog reconsider living with you. Finally, a decoration that screams louder than your student loans. You don't own a coffin? Amateur. For $9, you can get this mini coffin to fill with candy, trinkets, or your hopes and dreams. It's lightweight, durable, and way cheaper than a real burial. Put it on your coffee table and watch your guests nervously reach in for a Snickers, like they're pulling treasure from Dracula's vault. And every time you open it, it feels like a funeral for your self-respect. Honestly, if you don't have this, you're not decorating. You're just existing. And there you have it, 10 ways to make your house look haunted without haunting your bank account. All under $15, all guaranteed to make your neighbors wonder if you're festive or just deeply unwell. Either way, you win. Now go fill that cart before Amazon raises the price, or before your neighbor buys all the good stuff and makes your house look even sadder by comparison.